Hi there. It's a blustery day, so if anything weird happens, we'll just try and recover ourselves as much as possible. I've been thinking about this, and I do not have a lot of 10 by 20 inch canvases that are swipes. And even though I have quite a few swipes that I love, they're all different. And so that means I'm going to do another one because I want to. And so I think I'll leave my black for last. That'll be my swipe color. Somewhere around here. That looks like a good tool to me. No, I guess I might have some others. Wait. Okay, that'll work in a pinch. Probably we have shorter ones. This is what I'm using. Again, this is a quite damp this time to add weight. Cotton hemmed, piece of hemmed cotton t-shirt. So I'm going to do that. And we're going to use my spatula. And we're going to try not to overabundance ourselves with paint. I'm going to use some yellow today. And I'm really thinking I want quite a bit of yellow. I'm not going to fill in too quick. That's actually, I ran out of Floetrol, so that's a very expensive version of my usual, because it's mostly GAC 800. But I really convinced myself earlier that I was going to be able to stop myself from destroying the yellowness of this, but that has yet to be seen, quite honestly. I'm thinking more zigzags will create more difference in the pattern, and I really can't have no purple. Double negative, sorry for you English people in the audience. I thought I cleared all my tips today. Ah, now it's clear. Splooge. I'm just feeling this out little by little. I'm going to try and get myself to go back toward yellows in a second. That is almost empty and was plugged. I'm going to, what did I say I was going to do? Okay. It's a weird color, but when it mixes in, it sort of pops, and I like that. So much for the yellow. I'm still going to try and get back there. Oranges, yellows. It's kind of what I meant. Ooh. I did not trim that tip off, and I will be after this. I'm thinking because the yellow is mostly translucent, if I put a white behind it, then there is a chance that we can pop some cells on that. I said I wouldn't use much more paint, and I'm going to try really hard to stick to that. I'm going to put some gold over there. Gold counts as yellow, at least in my book. My editing program thinks so too. I've got some oranges to use up. Some stuff that's been hanging. Ooh, that's a nice red orange too. And I kind of had convinced myself that if I put something different in there, that it'll pop. Where do I want to put that? I want to put it right here. I really like some blue in there, but then that would so be going against everything I just said about the yellow. I know it's not dominantly yellow. At least it wasn't a minute ago. Let's see what happens. What do I want? I want to just do what I want to do. And add a few. I know that might make a green, but that's okay. You gotta follow your heart. And I like this. I can't get enough iridescent looking pink. Now, where'd the gold go? Because I want that to be... I cleared that too. Maybe this should be a gold swipe. Black. Hello, black. I just used you, black. I'm talking to myself. Now, there it is. I'd really like to not overdo this. And I'm thinking that I could go back again when I want to and double swipe if I need to. gonna get some of these out of here so we have a chance. Oh, you know what? Look at that pretty color. It's not coming out anyway. Okay, so much for saying I cleared everything. Let's just throw a little anomalous. Yep, I like that. I guess I better since it just... Okay, that's it. That's all I'm doing. Alright, I'm going to take my wet cotton rag. I'm going to do what I always do. I'm going to take it folded the wrong way. I'm going to dip it into my swipe color. I'm going to go all the way back to the end, to the edge. I'm going to tap that edge. And then instead of dragging it up over this time, because I want the paint to go further, and I don't want a naked spot, I'm going to put it right on front. And here we go. Hopefully I'm in frame. Seems like plenty of paint being dragged along. I'm liking how that gold looks. I've got a naked edge, darn. But I am getting the effect I wanted. Temptation will be to just take all my paint, but I'm going to let drip over the edge right now so it covers the end. Yep. Oh, I got a nice rainbow effect. You have to like that. I have to like that. Let's take my paint from the swipe and add it to the edges. And the same again on this side. I'm thinking I need a little black on my edges since they did not cover. I'm also thinking I hope I left a skewer handy. Let's turn that around. Boy, that's popping nice. We haven't even torched, so there. It's definitely time to buy more Floetrol. Edges are covered. Yellow is dominant, at least as dominant as I really wanted it to be. Move my torch. Still seeing what's happening here. Oh, I got a lot of paint down there. That's okay, I can use that. Right on my edges from my finger. Oh, a little muddy. Okay, well, I'm going to figure it's going to cover at some point. Anyway, I'm going to let those things do what they will. I think I'm going to catch that with my fingers. Yep, I'm liking that a lot. Pretty. Tap, tap, tap. It will blend in time, I promise you. I don't have freezer paper out today to put this on, so it's going in the bucket. Give the hands a quick rinse. Get out my spatula, see what's down there. Nothing yet. It's okay, because I want some of that paint. No problem stealing paint from my own painting. Wherever it looks nice and thick, that's a perfect place to steal it from. Keep a nice wet cloth to wipe your tools off with. Let's do that on the other side too. Whoops. Okay, that'll just be licensed to do something else we want to do. I didn't used to think I was going to like gold and yellow together, but I kind of do. Changed my mind about it some time back. Not sure when. I've been dragging stuff up through, so I'm going to probably do that now. I like that effect. It's happily selling for me. I like the black up there. I don't want any of that color down at bottom until it decides to do it. Expose a little canvas. It will heal itself as long as the paint is nice and wet. And while I'm playing, we're exposing colors that are drifting down under that black. I have no explanation for that, but I don't really care, as long as it's doing something neat. And it does seem to be doing something neat. I'm going to take, well, it occurs to me that I could turn that timer off now because I set it at the wrong time. Either that, or you've just seen the end of the video. The idea of tapping back and forth a little. That's pretty. I like it. I'm happy that I chose those colors. I'm going to give that a little bit of a chance to fold down. Because again, I've heard him allowing people to abscond with my phrase. It was never my phrase. Everything is always because you can. Where's my skewer? Nice new skewer. And some pretty colored paint exposed. And cover those edges. And wipe the skewer off. Expose some more pretty colored paint. And yes, we will. Oh, I like those white cells. I really didn't want to disturb them too much. But it'll be alright. I have trust. I trust my process. I'm going to steal some paint. Dip my skewer. Steal some paint. Put it in spots that look like they're paint light. Like right over there. And if I get all the way down to canvas, I guess I'm going to steal paint from somewhere else to cover it. But I'm pretty happy, and the only thing that's left for me to do, she says, optimistically, is to torch it. Usually I'm inclined to add some color in it, but I'm really not thinking that it needs much of anything. My skewer around a little bit down there, break up the patterns or spread them out. And I like how the fact that they're selling right there, spreading little showers of gold droplets. Slightly subtle, not really. There's nothing subtle about this, I'm lying. Okay, well, now I'm going to take that torch. Just to release any bubbles that are caught. And it goes out on time, on cue. I'm not going to complain about that. I don't think it needs anything, she said, looking for something to add. I like this blue-green down here. I wish there was more of it. I also like that white. And some of the yellow did sort of show up better because of it. Not exactly what I thought it was going to be like. How often does that happen doing this kind of stuff anyway? kind of have that goal in mind, to be able to decide on my colors and know what things are going to turn out looking like a little bit. Colors next to each other at least. Okay, that's it. We're done. Bye for now.